Hello CMS students, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like, share, subscribe. Today syllabus 2016 assignment number 3, paper 5 financial accounting. So this paper contains 9 questions. All the questions are compulsory, subject to instruction provided against each questions. All workings must be form a part of your answers. Answer the following questions. Answer for a company. Multiple choice questions here. Emission costing of rupees 15 lakhs for his production process. It paid freight rupees 25,000, cottage 2,000, administration charges is 18,000. The company spent additional amount of rupees 40,000 for testing and preparing the mission. Amount should be recorded as the cost of mission would be. So we need to calculate here cost of mission would be at the end of the financial year. What is one, and then we choose the what is the correct option here. What is the correct option here? So I already uploaded in the question test 2 website. If you don't like, watch this and so go search on my channel. So first of all, so answer the following question. Financial accounting, multiple choice questions. So multiple choice questions. So multiple choice. So cost of missions 15 lakhs. So cost of mission is 15 lakhs. So cost of mission costing is 15 lakhs. So 15 lakhs I will, that is add, next add freight plus cottage plus installation charges and salvage value. In case given, less salvage in case given. So additional amount, that 15 lakhs, 40,000, 25,000, that is 2,000 and 80,000. The option will be 1 lakh 85,000. That's option will be C. So next, ground rent or surface rent is fixed rent. C, fixed rent payable in addition to the minimum rent. Addition to the minimum rent. That option C. Fixed rent payable in addition to the minimum rent. Addition to minimum rent. So B. Next question, in the goods transferred from department X to department Y, that goods are transferred from department. So department X to X. So goods are transferred from department X is 25% on cost. Stock valued at 65,000 in department Y. So 18,000 and then amount stock of received closing stock will be. So already stock will be there. What is the closing stock here? So 65,000, 125 cost in profit on cost, that is 125 profit on cost. So already profit, no need to calculate cost of sales here. So to 25 by cost, that is 25% by 125, that is profit on cost, that is 13,000. So B is the answer. So next, when sale is 1,18,000, purchase is equal to 1,60,000, opening stock 34,000, rate of cost, gross profit is 25% on cost. So 25% on cost. So now we calculated here. So here so what about like this? So particulars purchases opening stock, to opening stock here 16,000 plus 16,000. So 16,000 opening stock. So see opening stock here. To opening stock. How much opening stock here? So 1,60,000. So one opening stock is 34,000. So 34,000. Two purchases. That is two purchases is 1,60,000. So 1,60,000 by 1,80,000. So no closing stock is given, no gross profit is given. So that's why we calculated here. So total, assume total sales is. So total sales is 100. So gross profit on 20, rate of gross profit is rate. So rate of gross profit is 20%. So 100 minus sorry 100 plus 20, so is equal to 20 by 100, so 20 by 120, sorry 20 by 120, 100 plus 120, so 20 by 100, 120. So 100 plus 20, 120. So rate of gross profit is 20%. So rate of gross profit is 20% on cost. Sorry, on cost. So on cost is, so assume total cost. Sales is, hopefully don't get confusion. So I repeat again. So we assume 100 sales. So rate of gross profit is 20% on the cost. So cost of total sale cost is 100. So total we add it. So cost. So that's why 120 plus 100, so 120. So the 20 by 120 we got 16 point. So calculated here 20 divided by 120. So how much? 61 into 100, 16.66, and then 7. So we are rounded off 7%. So we calculated here. So now we will calculate it. Gross profit here. Now we will calculate a gross profit. 1,86,000, 16.6, 7%. So that is the 30,000. So 1,80,000 into 20. So 1,80,000 into 20 by 120. So 20 by 120, that is 1 by 20, that is equals to gross profit is sales, that is 30,000. So gross profit will be 30,000. So gross profit we find out here. Gross profit is 30,000. So hope you will understand. Profit is 30,000 less. Okay, by sales 1,80,000. So by sales equal to 1,80,000. Now we will find out the closing stock. So total we calculated here. So total here. So gross profit 30,000, purchases 1,60,000. 2,24,000. That is 2,24,000 by closing stock. So by closing stock is, so when you, how much, so closing stock will be calculator. So this is the one more method, 2,24,000 minus 80,000. So 44,000. So 44,000 is the closing stock, or so cost of sales equal to, so this is the one I assume. If you, it is trick, this is only trick, but method is concerned. So we calculated 180,000. So already separated on gross, we find out this is the gross profit, rate of gross profit. So 1,80,000 into 3.33337, because we calculated 100 minus 16. So 100 minus 16, how much? So 100 minus 16, that is equal to 100. Sorry, 100 minus 16.667. So 83.333. So this is the fraction we understand. So that we calculated here, that is 15th. 1,80,000 into 83.3337%. So we assume, right, that is 6 rounded off to 7. So 1,00,000 is 15,000. So that's why this is also one more method. So that is 15,000. Now we 1,80,000 minus 15,000, 1,50,000. That's also we get 30,000, which is 20% on cost. Then closing stock will be, so already 1,94,000. So 1,60,000. So opening stock plus purchases, add it 1,60,000 purchases plus opening 34,000 and minus 1,50,000, 1,44,000. So this is the two methods I will discuss in this problem. I hopefully understand. If any confusion, comment below. So at least 1,80,000 into 20 divided by 80 get 45,000. That's wrong. So 1,00,000 into 20 by 120, 30,000. That is the gross profit, rate of gross profit. This is also one method. That is we calculated here, first method. 20 by gross profit, you can rate of gross profit. Here it is given rate of gross profit, not rate on sale. So we calculated like this. 20 by 120, that is 16.66. So we see that once again. And how much? 20 by 20 divided by 120. How much? 6 into 100. 66 minus 100. So we get 83.33. So after that 5 is added. When the rate is given, so that we assume it. So I hopefully understand. So option will be P is the answer. The B is the option. So we can write also 1,80,000 minus closing stock. Here it is closing stock. We need to find out here. That's why the question is asked, right? The closing stock would be. What is the closing stock would be? We need to find out here. And then now we finish this question. So last one question is, like new partner brings his share of goodwill in cash, then the amount and such goodwill will be created partners capital as per the profit as per the following ratio. So all the note we clear. First one is C, and then B, and then B, and then again B. We understand. So next we move into the match the following: nominal account, debt balance, revenue expenditure. So nominal account here B. These accounts are related to expenses, losses and gains, and incomes and gains. So option B. So revenue expenditure, these accounts are recurring nature. Income and expenditure, it is similar to profit and loss. So good debts that are neither possibility of bad debts or any doubts or any realization. So any other resolution. So statement the whether true or false. Here it is true or false. True or false. True or false statement. So true or false statement. So excess refers to the amount by which. So excess working refers to amount by which royalties exceed minimum rate. So option is true. So option true is the right answer. If any transaction is not recorded in the primary books, is the same recorded in the. So as per the concept of conservative system, the accounting trend should be provided all these all possible losses, but should be not anticipated profit. But should not anticipated profit. That should be true. The third one is also true. So creditors ledger is also known as false. This is purchase. Creditors ledger is a purchase ledger or purchase Purchase ledger. Creditors ledger is a purchase ledger, not as a sold ledger or production budget ledger, or it is not. For creditor ledger is also known as sold ledger or sales ledger. False. That is statement is false. This statement is false. Ledger is a purchase ledger. As per the inventory should not historical cost or market value, whichever is yes. No. This statement is true. So fifth one is true. As per the inventory, inventory should be inventory should normally be valued at historical cost or market value, whichever is true. So as true. This statement is true. So like this, questions. So here it is, calculation for the year ended 31st 3 March 2000, 31st March 2015 year. On first, sorry, 2015. Calculate the amount of depreciation for the year ended 31st March 2015. On 1st April 2013, Bing Tech Limited purchased a second-hand machinery. 1,20,000 spent 30,000 on installation charges. On 1st October 2014, 5,000 was spent on repair. Depreciation is to be provided 20% per annum and according to the written down value method. So written down value method or diminishing balance method. So now we will calculate it here. Cost of machinery is 15,000. Cost of, so 1,20,000 plus I add it. So 1,20,000 plus that is 15 lakhs plus 20%, that is 30,000 for the year, and that's 15,20,000 2014 and 20,000 2,40,000. So that is the question number D is the D question. So next question, Aarti Limited purchases mission on high purchase system of our cash rupees 55 lakhs to be paid some 78,700 cash down on it, the balance of 3 equal in 2 lakhs each. If the interest charged at the rate of 20% per annum, then the amount will be interest payable on the second installment. So Aarti Limited purchased a mission on hire purchase system for a cash price of 5 lakhs to be paid as 78,700 cash down and the balance of 3 equal installments. So 2,20,000 installments. So first of all, cash is present, let's download or cash payment, down payment add. So subtracted down payment. So sorry, the subtraction here. So minus down payment here 78,700, that is 4,21,300. Interest on 20%, that is 8,60. So like this principal amount. So 2 lakhs minus 84,260, that is 11,5740. So a second year same interest on payable, that is equal to 20%. So the amount will be 3 equals to 3,55,000, 3,05,500, 6,000, 61,112. So totally clear. So next third one here, bills receivable 4,000, bills receivable 4,000, bills bank account 212. So write it. So here it is fourth problem here. B sacrifice equal to 1 by 6, 1 by 6, that is 1 by 4, 1 by equal to 3 minus 2, that is equal to 12, that is 12, the sacrificing ratio minus the equalizer AB. So calculation of new profit ratio, here it is 17 is to 10 is to 9. 17 is to 9 is to 9. So this is all the next fifth question, computation of valuation of stock as per the investment. Don't write this like this. We need to maintain pro forma in the examination point. This is only understand purpose only. Answers calculations. Lower of the historical cost and net. So lower 20 minus the closing stock will be 18,000 and like this. subtracted. So equal means 0. 16 minus 24, that is 16. So on the note, we finish this topic. Answer the following D. So in the section B, answer the following any 5 from the following question. Income from the following. The following is the income and expenditure account of Green City Club Limited, Green City Club for the year ended 31st March 2015. The following expenditure account of the Green City Club for the year ended 31st 2015. So Green City in 2015. So particulars to salaries 4,80,000, spent to 1,20,000, printer and stationery 30,000, travelling expense 60,000, annual rental expense 1,40,000, secretaries honorarium 1,00,000, general expenses, books and depreciation 25,000, excess of income over expenditure 5,77,000. So by subscription 13 lakhs. By subscriptions 13 lakhs, contributions. So read the question. So this is the by profit on annual sports is 20,000. By contribution for annual 16,60,000. So the income and expenditure account has been prepared after the following adjustment. So subscriptions outstanding on 31st 3/2014, that is 1,20,000. Subscription received in advance, that is 31st March 2014, that is 90,000. Subscription outstanding 15, that is 1%. So rest of salaries are beginning at the end of the year, that is equal to be calculated like this. So all expenses as for sports plus 2,60,000. So we also read the questions like this and follow this answer. Understood. Other than you can't understood. At the end of the year, after depreciation and equipment amount is 2,70,000. Bank loan is 1 lakh. So 31st March till the end of the current year, the cash and bank 60 cash as a bank amount is 6,97,000. 6,97,000. 6,97,000. So 6,97,000 a year. Okay. This is given by the Green City Club. So now we will prepare for receipts and payments account. So balance brought on 4,45,000. This is the balance figure after that calculated here. So subscriptions, salaries already 4,44 given here. 4 lakhs by salaries 4,80,000 minus 30,000, that is salaries are outstanding at the end of the year is 30,000 respectively. So that's why subtraction here. So by outstanding salaries 13,14. So 13,14 4 is 40,000. So outstanding salaries 40,000. So that's why we calculate 4,45,000. So 4,50,000. Sorry. So next same again, rent 1,02,000. So printing and stationery 13,000. So like this. Salary is 4,50,000. So subtracted outstanding 30,000 respectively. Question given in the questions. That's why we read. I already mentioned that we read the question, understand the question again. That is the main here, and that's why we can't able to solve the problems here. So cash at bank 69,000 at the end of the year. So we will discuss in the deeply in the exam in the classes in the deeply. Otherwise we just follow. So write down these problems. So next. So opening cash at bank for 45,000. So cash at bank 45,000. Source equipment 2,95,000. So 14 lakhs 25,000, 14 1 lakh 40 14,000 25,000. So like this, and then into the balance sheet here. See the balance sheet here. So capital fund balancing figure here, excess of income over expenditure. Here it is not given the capital fund. So this is the sports club. That's why here is capital fund. We need to maintain. We need to calculate this. So end of this cash at bank, that is 6,97,000, 6,97,000. So working notes, opening banks on this. So sports equipment account. So opening balance of capital fund here. Opening balance of capital fund. Here it is. Working notes. I will calculate opening balance of working fund. So here it is. Subscriptions are 1,20,000. So 1,13,000. So subtracted here. Subscriptions already outstanding. So we need to calculate subscriptions account. So subscriptions end of the 1,42,000 subscriptions outstanding on 31st March 2014. The 31st March 2014. That's right. 1,20,000. Source equivalent 2,60,000. So subscriptions array is 1,20,000. Freehold land already 10 lakhs. So capital fund, opening balance of capital fund, that should be 1,11,80,000. It will be transferred to the balance figure 1,11,80,000. So clear it is. Clear it is. Sports equivalent 2,25,000, that is given here. So slash depreciation given already. The sports depreciation is 25,000 given. That's was operated 2,70,000. So subscriptions in advance. So we need 1,40,000 in the liability side. So subscriptions will be advanced. That means already received. So 1,40,000 subscriptions is already advanced. So already we have received liability. So we calculated here. So hopefully understand. So 1,40,000 will be calculated as the liability. So balance sheet total 20,47,000. 20,47,000. The balance sheet will be finished on 31st March 2015. Okay, the second problem of this question, the following this question, section B. So I repeat, I see here. First of all, here it is given the income and expenditure account. You need to calculate. Here it is given the income and expenditure account. We are preparing for 31st March 2015. That's why we calculated here. So okay. So see. So next question. The books of the third question here we will continue. The books of accounts of A Co Limited for the year ending 31st March 2013 were closed with a preference of rupees 21,510 in the books carried forward. The following errors were subsequently. The returns, here it is option here, returns outward book was under cash 1,500 being the cost of purchase of office furniture were debited. So rest of accounts we study. So closing stock was forecasted of by 10,000 being casting error. So by casting error in the schedule of inventory, the sales account were under cost of 10,000 book. The credit sales 760 were wrongly posted as 670 to the customer's account in the sales day book. 6,000 being cost of purchases of the office furniture were debited to the purchases account. 1,500 being cost of purchase of office furniture were debited to purchase account. So returns outward book was under cash book by 1,200. So we need to calculate it here rectification of errors. The entries, how the entry will be calculated like this. So rectification errors in the books of A Co Limited. So in the books of A Co Limited, general particulars. So first of all, First question, suspense account 200 rupees. So first question, written outward book was under cost. So under cost means suspense account to profit and loss account, that is 100. Being written outward book was under cost, now it will be rectified. So next 1500, 1500 being the cost of office cost of purchase of office furniture account. So debited to purchase. So profit and loss suspense account to profit and loss adjustment account. Discount received was not recorded. Now will be rectified. So now will be rectified 1500. So sorry, I will sorry this question. See, office furniture to real about 60,000. Sorry, change the entries ups down to up. Change the entries up and down. So upward and downward change the rectification of errors. So this same problem will given in the institute material. So go through that for clearly. Just write down. I will explain here. Next question D. Credit sales for suspense account, that is 7760. So 760 70, that is equal to 90. So debit Tatar's account added to suspense account. It will be posted on the sales day book. So that is 760 and 760 and 90. C1 suspense account added to sales prior profit and loss account, that is 10,000. So profit and loss adjustment account added to closing stock account. Closing stock was over cost, now will be rectified like this. Entry will be like this. So we will discuss the one by one in the deeply in the classes. I hopefully understand this rectification problem number 1. Answers will be. So on the note we clear this. Though this is the substantive question, so we see that. Okay, I forgot. Now I will rectify this problem. So please go through that. Subscriptions account of second problem, Green City Club. Green City Club. So Green City Club 2014 or 13 lakhs outstanding subscription. So list. So club subscription. I will discuss in the deeply with the proper formula. So 2 lakhs 60,000, 15 lakhs. So like this, 13,000, 13 lakhs 90,000 will be posted into balance. So this is the total balance. Hopefully clear. On the note we clear this problem also. So next. So on the note, that's all this video. We continue in set number 3 in the next video. So if you hope you understand, like, subscribe for more.